Mixology 640, welcome back to the studio. We're gonna make a nice tasty one. This one is called the Blue Zombie. So further ado, let's get right into the cocktail. Got some freshly organic baby lime juice. We're gonna put an ounce and a half inside, put inside just like this. There. We're gonna go right here and get our pineapple juice. 2 ounces inside just like this. We're gonna go here and get our vodka. We'll be using, as you can see, Monkey in Paradise. Using the color inside, like that. Tasty ice. Shake it up. Tasty one. Zombie, 2 highs. Looking at me just like that. Just like this. Nice, juicy. It's gonna come right behind that. Some club soda. We're just gonna top it out. Nice, tasty zombie, blue zombie. Guys, don't forget, go over to my YouTube, show me some love. If you want to see me, Mixology 640, explode into the universe, you gotta do it.